My name is P. Vanita, Senior Lecturer in Geology. Subject is Fundamentals of Geology. In chapter Physical Geology, subtopic Explain the age of the Earth by determining different methods. One is form the history of the organic evolution, rate of the sedimentation, salinity of water, rate of cooling, and by radiometric method. The age of the earth was a matter of speculation till recent times, and as such, there are divergences of opinions about the activity of the earth. Until recently, geology worked extensively on the concept of the relative age of the rocks. It was only with the discovery of the radioactivity that a new method giving an approximate age with comparatively less chances of errors. The determination of the age of the earth can be done by two methods: direct indirect method, radioactive method. That is nothing but direct method. Indirect method, the determination of the earth was attempted through different method. It is indirect method. It is various method: sedimentation clock, salinity clock, evolutionary changes of animals and plants, and rate of cooling of the earth. Sedimentation clock. In this method, the average annual rate of sedimentation and the thickness of all strata deposited during the whole geological history is measured. But this method is full of imperfection and variation from place to place. According to method, the average rate of deposition of sediments in 30 centimeters in 755 years. Sedimentary salinity clock. 2% Jolie and clocks took help from the rate of accumulation of sodium in oceanic water for determining the age of the earth. This method started that the earth was formed about 100 million years ago, but this method also suffered many imperfections. Evolutionary changes of animals. The first formed animals were unicellular, which underwent various phases of the evolutionary process, and multicellular organisms come into being. Man is considered to be the most involved one. Evidence of evolutionary is found in the form of fossils. According to this method, biologists have estimated the age of the earth to be about 1,000 million years. Evolutionary changes of animals. The first formed animals were unicellular, which underwent various phases of the evolutionary process, and multicellular organisms comes into being. Man is considered to be the most involved one. Evidence of evolutionary is found in the form of fossil. According to this method, biologists have estimated the age of the earth to be about 1000 million years. Rate of cooling of the earth. Lord Kelvin estimated the age of the earth on the basis of his study on the history of cooling of the earth. Since temperature increases with depth, Kelvin assumed that Earth began as a molten mass and began to cool slowly. Assuming the initial temperature of the Earth to be 3900 degrees Celsius, Lord Kelvin estimated the age of the Earth to be 100 million years. Name the important methods to determine the age of the Earth. The discovery of radioactivity brought a new and precise way of measuring the age of the Earth. It is nothing but a indirect method. Direct method. Radioactivity consists of the spontaneously disintegration of the nucleus of unstable elements and their transformation into stable isotopes or new elements. The disintegration is accompanied with the emission of alpha particles, beta particles, and energy in the form of gamma radiation. The discovery of radioactivity brought a new, apparent, accurate concept of measuring the age of the earth. The radioactive decay is expressed in terms of half-life period. A half-life period is the time required for one of an original amount of radioactive elements to disintegration. The basic principle underlying all the radioactive methods is that radioactive parents elements decay into a stable daughter elements at a constant rate. The radioactive is usually expressed in terms of half-life period. A half-life period is the time required for one of an original amount of radioactive elements to disintegrate. For geological purpose, the unit of time is 1 year. The relationship between the half-life period and the rate of decay has been found out to be as T is equal to 0.693 by lambda. T half-life period and lambda rate of decay. Age of a rock is 3.323 T log 10. 1 plus Nd by Np. Nd number of atoms of the daughter elements, number of atoms of the parent elements. The half-life period is determined accordingly. It is age of the earth to determine find out the rocks. The following are some of the most important methods of determining the age of the earth: uranium lead method, potassium argon method, rubidium strontium method, and the radiocarbon method. Potassium argon method. This involve electron capture or position decay of potassium 40 to argon 40. Potassium 40 has a half-life of 1.3 billion years. So this method is applicable to the oldest rock. Radioactivity Potassium 40 is common in micas, feldspar, and hornblende. Through the closer temperature is fairly low these material, but 350 degrees centigrade mica to 500 degrees centigrade hornblende. The potassium is the element that present in many minerals and rocks. It has their three isotopes K39, K40 and K41. Only K40 is radioactivity. The radioactive transformation of K40 consists in absorbing the electrons by the nucleus with the nearest to its electronic shells. Thus, a radioactive stable isotopes of argon with changes in atomic weight, that is the argon 40, and rubidium strontium method dating. This method is based on the radioactive decay of rubidium 87 and its transformation into strontium 89. This based on the beta decay of the radium 87 to strontium 87 with a half-life of 50 million years. This scheme is used to date old igneous and metamorphic rocks and also used to date lunar samples. Closer temperature are so high that they are not a concern. Rubidium strontium dating is not a precise as the uranium lead method, with error of 30 to 50 million years for a 3 million years old samples. Rubidium 87 to gives rise to beta particles. Strontium method. These are strontium is having 87 and 86 and 89 determine the great accurate, so also the radio ratio of rubidium 87 to strontium 87. It is therefore the method is more reliable for metamorphic rock. The half-life period to determine the best 3 million years ago. The best means of estimating the age of provided by the uranium, lead, strontium, and potassium argon method on the basis of the data provided by the radioactive methods described all above. The age of the earth has been estimated 3 million billion years old samples. And uranium lead dating method, it is one of the oldest and most refined of the radiometric dating schemes. It can be used to date rocks that formed and crystallized from about 1 million years to over 4.5 billion years ago with a routine precision in the 0.1 to 1% range. The method of usually applied to zircon. This mineral incorporates uranium and thorium atoms into its crystal structure but strongly reject lead when forming. As a result, newly formed zircon deposits will contain no lead. No lead meaning that any lead found in the mineral is radiogenic. Since the extract rate at which uranium decays into lead is known, the current ratio of lead to uranium in a sample of the mineral can be used to reliably determine its age. The method released on two separate decay chains. The uranium series from 238 to uranium to 206 lead with a half-life of 4.47 billion years, and the actinium series of 235 uranium to 207 lead with a half-life of 710 million years. Radiocarbon method. Radiocarbon is also simple called carbon 14 dating. Carbon 14 is a radioactive isotopes of carbon with a half-life of 5730 years and decay into nitrogen. In other radiometric dating methods, the heavy parent isotopes were produced by nucleosynthesis in supernovas, meaning that any parent isotopes with a short of life should be extinct by now. Radiocarbon dating method carbon 14 through is continuously created through collisions of neutrons generated by cosmic rays with nitrogen in the upper atmosphere and thus remains at a near constant level on the earth. The carbon 14 ends up as a trace components in atmospheric carbon dioxide. On the basis on the basis of the data provided by the radioactive method described above, the age of the earth is estimated to be of 4500 million years, that is 4.5 billion years. The best mean of estimated of the radiocarbon dating method, the age of the earth is estimated to be of 4500 million years ago. This is the age of the earth. To determine the direct method and indirect method. Direct methods are uranium lead method, thorium lead method, potassium argon method, rubidium strontium method, and radiocarbon method. These are main important direct method. It is determined the it is very activity radioactivity to spontaneous disintegration of the nuclei unstable elements to stable isotopes or new elements. And indirect methods, sedimentation clock, salinity clock, evaluation changes of animals, and rate of cooling of the earth. These are indirect method. To most used for or radioactive methods in radiocarbon method or radioactivity method.